Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to scan the QR code with Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and S10 Ultra. So what we need to do is we have two options pretty much. We can open the camera and then we need to aim for the QR code. We should be able to scan it. If we do, then we will see the link at the bottom, and we can do we can open it, we can copy it, and we can share the link. We can also just immediately tap on the link in order to open it in the browser. Now, another way to scan the QR code is by opening the quick access, and then you should be able to find the scan QR code option. If not, you may need to switch to other page or press the pen and edit the full screen in order to add it from the available buttons. Nevertheless, you should be able to open the QR code scanner, aim at the QR code, and there we go, we have our link, and we can do exactly the same things as in the camera. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!